almost limitless. With my experience through military, I see a ton of applications through, available through government contracting, all the way down to my own interest in automotive restoration. I've been, just thinking in my own area, we have several major manufacturers that have their subcomponents made locally in our county. And one of them's right down the road from us. So I think all the time, I know they have a huge sandblasting facility just to treat parts. And just to be able to get the foot in the door with something like this that could speed up those processes, automatically gets my wheels turning. Talking to the automotive guys who, of course, they always need rust removal, paint removal, refinishing services, to the engine building aspects. And then we've all seen it on social media and the news, the mold problems some of the military facilities have deal with over the years. So seeing that's also, an option to be able to use this laser system to treat mold removal from buildings and in areas where people are working and living, that's another huge opportunity.